That V6SUG driver is on the phone. I saw her holding up the phone and talking to it. Grey Mercedes, Victor 6, Sugar Uniform Golf.
So there's Ali, who is South African, and she
It's a very narrow road here. I ordinarily would not filter on the near side, but I think this is an appropriate place to be doing it. I can see the phone in her left hand, very clearly held up. I am going to have to change to the offside because I don't think I'll get a good enough evidential shot without that. I just come out of Lavender Hill Magistrates Court. I can still see the phone being held. Are you allowed to hold it? You're not allowed to hold the phone, are you?
It kept falling off my thing, so I had to put it.
I don't believe that. You can carry on. I saw you come past back there by Lavender Hill Magistrates Court.
It fell down. That's why I'm holding it now. I used to.
You were holding it when you came back past Lavender Hill.
It fell. That's
Well,
why.
carry on. You can argue that case with the magistrates. Carry on. I don't believe for a moment, and if it was the truth, you should have picked up the phone and put it down immediately, not driven along with it for a couple of minutes. Let's wait till she's stuck. Do we go past? Maybe not here. Simply because it's a crossing and she's left a gap, which means she could proceed at any point. If she gets stuck behind the person in front of her, then I'm cool to pass. I mean, there I'm just being generally careful because I know, I don't think she's that kind of a driver, but I know that some drivers will drive at you.